Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. Yes, I have worn this top for 3 videos. I will be filming a 4th one with this top on. Anywho, I was manic and did a ColourPop haul. So we are gonna start doing looks with ColourPop palettes. I've already primed my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't have a specific eye makeup concealer anymore, just because I'm really good about throwing out products that are expired. I'm gonna quickly set that though with a little bit of the Too Faced Peach Perfect concealer, just to give that a nice base. Anywho, if you have not seen yet, I have a ColourPop haul where I do swatches from all of the palettes. If you hear a bell, it's not a toddler with like a bell around its neck. I have a cat. I just got a new kitten. So this is what the palette looks like. She is stepping on my Oki. So my cat is a boy, but I don't really remember that, so I just call her she. Anyways, his name is Momo. So this is the palette. I'm gonna try and do a look that uses all of these colors. Right off the bat, they look a little ashy. This glitter is kind of a pain, not gonna lie. Anywho, let's go in and do a look. So I'm going in with Stinger, and I have no idea what this look is going to be. I just know I'm gonna use all the colors. Just kind of packing that on. All right, that shows up. My fear with this palette when I opened it was that the base of these shadows would be really white and therefore ashy. Okay. I wouldn't wear this by itself, but that's a good base color. Next, I'm gonna go in with Totally Buggin'. This color right here. Yeah, this one. And I'm just gonna go over that. This is kind of a hard palette. These colors would show up better on a white base, but I never do my eyeshadow on a white base. So this is a beginner-friendly orange, not orange, yellow color monochromatic situation. All right, so that brings it down a notch. I'm gonna go in with Buzzkill. This is the darkest shade in the palette. Is it showing up? I don't think so. All right, let me pat this on. I'm just gonna use a brush. Name's not worth mentioning. Because I don't use super fancy brushes. So like I said, oh, there's my Morphe brush. All right, anywho. I'm just gonna pat this on and see if that helps it show up any. It's like almost a brownish yellow green color. Okay, it's not really showing up on me. Yeah, it's not really doing anything. All right, this palette might be a dud for me. Let's see. Have you guys tried this palette yet? Let me know in the comments if it works for you, if it doesn't. It's just bringing this yellow, original yellow, back down to like something that's a little bit more wearable. Like, I would leave the house with this being a look, just because that darker color does in a way bring it down. Throw on some lashes, maybe bring this down a little bit, that light yellow. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with Oh Behave, kind of on top of that, but a little bit lower. Now this one shows up. I am gonna probably pat this on. Yeah, let's go ahead and pat that on. All right, so I'm gonna pat this in the lower part of my crease. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything. I'm just trying to do a beginner-friendly look, and I don't think cut creases are beginner-friendly, and I suck at them, so there's that. All right, it's just starting to show up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with Sweet Spot. These aren't like chalky or anything. I just think in order for them to show up on me, I need more of a white base. But like I said, that's not normally how I do my makeup, so I'm not gonna flex here on YouTube. Okay. All right, it looks more contrasted on camera than in real life. So you guys are seeing way more than it actually does. I'm gonna go in with Sweet Spot on top of that. This like super neon yellow color. Now this is a little patchy. I really wish that darker shade would work, Buzzkill, because I would love to do like a yellow smoky eye. All right, this is pigmented, but it's also a little shocky. So you could stop here, do a winged eyeliner, and keep it moving. I am gonna try and use some more colors. So I'm gonna go in with Queen with the more like pointed brush and do my outer corner with this. I don't know if it can, sorry, it's a weird angle. I'm trying to show you guys. Oops. No, I'm definitely getting fallout from this. I don't have a lot of lid space either. This color is not that great. That's showing up. All right. Let me spray my brush. This is a Derma E hydrating mist. I'm just gonna, all right, yeah, you gotta spray your brush with this one. Sorry, I'm really bad at filming. Okay. So I'm gonna, all right, do the outer third with that one. I'm gonna do the, oh, let me pick this back up. I'm gonna do Dandy in the inner corner area. Same thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the brush. We kind of already know what's up. So, put that in the inner corner. I'm not the best at makeup, but I really enjoy doing it, so. I know some people can relate to that. All right, and then in the center, I can already tell you, I don't like Palooza at all. This glitter shade, I think it's terrible, so I'm not gonna, you shouldn't breathe on your palettes, but this is fallouty. And these are like chunky glitters. I'm gonna go in the middle of my eye with Sunburst. You can kind of see. I mean, maybe I dug into it too much. I don't know, who knows? That's kind of got a green reflect to it. So it just makes the center of the eye pop a little. I think when I edit this, I would have zoomed in by now so you guys can see. All right, so that is the look. That is the look. I'm gonna go back up top because that glitter did get up there, and just kind of buff it out. I mean, these, oh, that's punchy. I would definitely wear this, not necessarily with this outfit per se. I'm gonna go in on my bottom lash with a combo of Buzzkill and Oh Behave. I'm just gonna go back and forth between the two of these. And this is a smudger brush. It's not really showing up, but it is adding a little something. So it's just making the look a little bit more complete. I do like this brush. I just did a haul where I debuted this brush. Again, Buzzkill is not so deep that it really works. All right, I'm gonna go in just for a little bit of fun. Sweet Spot, that like electric color. Yeah, these don't show up super great on my bottom lash line. I'm just kind of connecting them. Okay, so that highlights my under eye bags. I'm gonna do my eyeliner with, oh, I kind of want to do gray. That's kind of weird though, right? Don't say yes. I have gray, brown, and black. I do not have yellow. I did want to buy yellow though, if that means anything. And then this is black. I haven't used this one yet. This is by a brand I can't pronounce, but just any black eyeliner will do. So I'm gonna attempt to do this on camera because usually I would cut away and do this. This looks like crap. Okay. Just outlining and filling in. This is a little bit thicker than I would sugar like for it to be. I don't like today. All right. You can just kind of. Today is not fun. All right. So that eye got a little messed up. We're going to keep it trucking. And I will clean it up in a minute. Let's go ahead and do this other eye though, while I'm in the mood to do it. I'm not good at winged eyeliner. It's something you have to practice, and I'm just not at that point where I'm wearing eye makeup enough to really practice it. And I'm really bad at that eye in general. This one I'm a little better on. Just look at that. Oh man, Ansley, come on, dude. All right, so I'm gonna take some concealer and try and clean this up instead of doing it off camera, because I know I'm not gonna do it off camera. All right, so I'm gonna go in under the eye. There we go. All right, sugar. I just got concealer all over me. I try not to swear in my vlogs. I can get a little cussy, but other than that, I try really hard to not swear. All right, I'm just gonna go over that with concealer. And then I'm gonna redo the wing. All right, don't forsake me. Let's get it. Bam! All right, let's get into it. For mascara, this is the Chanel Volumizing Mascara. 2 coats of this, and you look like a bad bitty. I love this stuff. So, we're gonna put it on. Like, all right, sorry guys, my angles are kind of gross. I'm trying though. I haven't filmed an eye look since last week. I was gonna say forever ago, but no, it's been like a week. So I'm only gonna do 1 coat. I don't wear falsies or anything, even though I have a ton of falsies from like PR stuff in my apartment that I'm giving away to people. So hella falsies, just don't use them. All right, I'm gonna go in for the second round. Especially under the eye. The little hair, don't know where that came from. Get out. All right. Really try and zhuzh it up. It's one of my favorite words for makeup. Just zhuzh it up. All right, and then I'm gonna go back in. See how that just gives you a little bit of like vavoom? Oh. Still kind of sucking with that one. Anyways, and then because my eyes are so bright, I am going to do a really simple lip. So this is in the shade Rose. It's a lip tint from Sephora. Actually, I'm not gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go in, oh, this is fun. This is the Smith & Colt's shade in the in the shade Fade the Sun. So something that's a little bit light, but on the glossy side. And then I'm gonna layer that with the color I really wanted to use, which is by the Balm. I'm doing this out of order. This is the Plump Your Pucker, my cat, lip gloss. So this is not in the right order. I should have done this first. Bam, that is the look. I'm not gonna do a full face, like give you cheeks and all that stuff, because I really don't wear my makeup like that, and we're supposed to focus on the eyes right now. So would I recommend this palette? If you were darker, I would recommend a white base. If you were lighter, I would recommend, all right, I gotta take a photo later. If you were lighter, I think it would look great. I've seen some really nice looks on fairer complexions. I've also seen some really nice looks on darker complexions. I just think it's not as brown girl friendly as it could be. So yeah, let me know if you've used this palette, similar palettes. If you're not gonna get this palette, like tell me why. I would love to know, and give this a thumbs up if you like this. Let me know if you want to see more ColourPop videos, particularly in the order that you would like to see them, because the Orangey Glad one is already up, but I still have these colors left. So let me know. Got a few vlogs coming up, a couple of hauls, all that stuff, so they'll all be listed, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.